Hello everyone, welcome to a video where I hope my camera isn't going to die on me, at least not in the unboxing portion. I might have to charge its battery between now and the try-on, but either way, I have got my Stitch Fix for you all and for me. These are very, very controversial videos, I feel like, on my channel. I love doing Stitch Fix. I know it can be kind of a crapshoot. I know it's not always gonna be good, but like, for me, I know that going in, and like, yes, I can find really good things at the thrift store for way cheaper. I know, but this is a fun treat. Every now and then. I don't know, some people get so upset that I get stuff from Stitch Fix, and it's like, I don't know, I'm just doing what I enjoy, and I always hope that y'all will enjoy it too, but hey, I guess we can't always make everyone happy. Now that is actually a good life lesson for sure. Let's see what we got in our bundle. Looks like a lot of comfy stuff. Some nice patterns in there. Stitch Fix, for those of you who don't know, real quick, it is the online styling service that is not a subscription, so you can get these boxes as often or unoften as you would like. You get a personal stylist after you take a styling quiz, and they send you 5 items, as I said, whenever you want. I think you can get them as frequently as every 2 weeks. You can get them as infrequently as never. Like, you can get your first box and then say, I never want one of these again, but maybe in the future, so like keep my account on, and then you can get one 2 years later with your account, and that's fine too. They send you the info about all of the stuff they sent you. You get a pre-stamped mailer bag for any returns and exchanges you might need to make. You get a really nice box for whatever reason. Stitch Fix boxes are my cat's favorite boxes. I don't know why. I mean, it's a good box, sure, but it's like all other boxes, but for some reason, they can sniff out those Stitch Fix boxes. So, like I said, 5 items, could be clothes, could be shoes, could be accessories like bags, could be accessories like jewelry. We got a Kivia, something from Kivia. I really like the pattern on the box. That's really pretty. I haven't gotten any jewelry from Stitch Fix in a long time, and I'm kind of sad about it. I tend to enjoy the jewelry that they send. So, ooh, these are cute. Kind of like minimal, but also cute. Oh, I really like these. So we've got like some everyday little studs, as you can see there. Very cute. And then we've got like more dressy options, or just little cutesy options. I really like all of those. I really do. That's nice. I'm actually really happy with those. So I think we're keeping at least one thing, which is great because the styling fee, it's 20 bucks to get a Stitch Fix, and then that $20, if you don't keep anything, Stitch Fix keeps that $20. Because obviously they're a service. You have to pay them somehow. But if you do keep something like these earrings, say this set is $40. I have no idea how much it's gonna be, but I will only have to pay an additional $20. You get the $20 off because you already paid 20 bucks. So that'll go towards anything you purchase. Does that make, I don't feel like I ever explained that very well, but I think y'all are smart folks. Yeah, I think you can pick up what I put down most of the time. This is a pretty color and it feels very comfy. Let's see. It's a plain t-shirt, but that's okay. These are good to have. This is from Market and Spruce. I don't know why something's telling me they sell Market and Spruce at Tarte. I don't think they do, but either way, we've got a Juna high-low knit top. I really like, you know, it is plain, but I do like the pattern to it. Gives it a bit of interest. Like I said, the color's really nice. It's like a cranberry pink with some grapey, winey splashes in there, and it has a very slight high-low to it. Feels very comfy, so that's great. We have also got a top that could be really pretty, but I'm scared. I don't know how breathable this material is. People always ask what the material is, and me being someone who doesn't know much about materials, I'm always like, is that really? No, that's probably actually really helpful. So let me tell you, this is 100% rayon. That's one of the materials that I know is usually bad for me, like not breathable and also terrifying to find out, because some rayon, you can put it in the washer dryer and have no problems with it at all, but some rayon, you put it even just in the washer, not even the dryer, and just by washing it in cold water makes it shrink and like turn into a really crepey, icky material. How do you, people who know fabrics, please let me know, because that is something I have never been able to figure out. Some 100% rayon pieces do that, some 100% rayon pieces don't. How do you know if the rayon you are purchasing is gonna end up doing that? Because it's a crapshoot for me. I just avoid buying rayon because I don't like taking that risk. But really pretty top otherwise. It looks nice and loosey-goosey. I like that it's cream, but it's got all these beautiful colors in the floral. It's got a tie front, a V-neck, like, could be really pretty. Y'all know I'm very sweaty, so I get very nervous. We've also got a really cute looking little dress here. This is reminding me kind of the dress that I got, I think, in my last Stitch Fix. Oh, cute. It is a high-low in the back too, but this is a material where it feels kind of cheap, not gonna lie, and it also feels like it probably won't be very breathable. Let's find out. I would say polyester maybe? Made in Guatemala. Haha! I am learning. It's 95% polyester and 5% spandex. There you go. So, really cute though. I like the muted green, and then with the peach pops and the floral and whatnot. I like the V in the front and the back. Like I said, I worry with this material. And then, did we get a pair of shorts? Oh, yes. Oh, these are right up my alley, except they seem like they might be a little tight, because, woohoo, weight gain! But I love these. Otherwise, I love the color. It's a really nice faded kind of a grapey purple, or like a pastel-y plum. They just feel really lightweight, like a lightweight knit. They've got pockets. Very exciting, always. These are from Threads for Thought. These are the ones that are, yes, they're made from the things. Oh, I was thinking they were made from the water bottles, but these are actually just made from sustainable fabrics. Okay, well, either way, that's still exciting. This is 60% organic cotton and 40% recycled polyester. So we can live with that amount of polyester, I think. They feel really nice and soft and lightweight. Like I said, I just get nervous with these kinds of waistbands with the weight that I've gained in the past year and a half, but we won't know until we try things on. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, how can we show you these shorts without showing you all of my bits? First off, we have this top. This top is cute. We like it. Flowy sleeves, great. We love the tie waist, great. Fits the bust, no pancaking, great. I would like to think this material will be okay. Maybe not on like a 110-degree day or anything, but like when it's 60 degrees out or so. And I know some of you are like, that's far too cold, but not to this hot-blooded individual. Now, the shorts, if they are pulled up to my waist, they fit. Yay for nipping in at the waist. But if we do that, then it's all kinds of... Can I show this on YouTube? It's just like a V. Okay? I don't think she's causing any camel toes, but like, not cute. But if I pull them down to alleviate all of that and have normal crotch, then it's too tight around the waist. We are muffin topping, and it's not gonna work out. I wish it would, but dear Stitch Fix, I know you're trying with these shorts, but I have gained far too much weight for them to work. So like, unless they come in a double XL, All right, now this t-shirt, I think a lot of my uncomfortability with it is just that I'm not used to wearing clothes that touch my body anymore. Like, this fits, it does. I'm just not used to like seeing my shape. There's just not really anything to it. I mean, it's a t-shirt, and like I said, it does fit, but it's nothing remarkable, yeah? I just, it's fine. Feels nice, but not sure about putting my dollar towards this. All right, slight lighting change there. Had to charge my camera, but I don't know, you guys, it's fine. Like, I'm not highly in love with it, but I don't dislike it. Shows off some of the tats. And I mean, overall, like I said, it's a perfectly fine dress. It hits me at the right spot at the knee. Give you a little shaky shake there. It does that very well. I just don't think it's anything like phenomenal, blow my mind on me, but I don't know, maybe you guys have a different opinion and you can tell me. We'll see. I doubt it's gonna be worth whatever it's priced at, but yeah, it's fine. All right, I'm not sure. I might have been able to pull off my daylight setting, but let's just go with end of the night ring light setting so that we can see. Hello! Let's find out what my stylist had to say about the pieces, and let's find out the prices. Yay, we got Emily again. Says happy fix day. So thrilled to see that the shorts fit so well in the last fix. I feel like jeans and denim shorts are always such a hard fit. When you find a pair that work, they're worth their weight in gold. That is the truth. So, you tried. You did. You tried. I had another pair of the soft shorts. I appreciate the thought and everything. I just, like I said, I think I would need a size up. You would have paired them with the soft tee from Market and Spruce for a perfect athleisure. Did I just call it athleisure? Athleisure? You also grabbed the knit dress from Kaylee. That will be nice as we round out the summer. Toss it on with a pair of your favorite sandals or sneakers. Then complete the look with a pair of the earrings from the set. Let me know what you need in your next fix. Ready for some pre-fall styles or stick with summer wear? Well, if the weather's gonna continue on as it is, I would say I'm not ready for fall yet. I mean, listen, I'm ready for fall, but I don't think Mother Nature is compliant in that request for fall weather quite yet. But you win some, you lose some. Now let's see what we've got for prices. The knit dress, oh, absolutely not. I would have priced that dress at like $23 to $25. It really doesn't feel like the best thing. They have it priced at $50. So I'm gonna say pass on that one. I would not pay $50 for that dress. Hem shorts are $32. If they would have fit me well, I absolutely think they would have been, I mean, I probably would have put them at $30, $25, $30. But like I said, I'm not gonna buy them because they don't fit correctly. Tie front top, oh heck yes. I think this is something that I will just go for. It's $38. I think that's appropriate. I mean, like I said, maybe I would have done like $35, but like $35 to $42 I would say I could see it retailing for. The high-low knit top is $44. It was a really nice material and everything. It's not special enough of an item for me to pay that price on it. And then the 5-piece earring set is $38, which is totally fine. I mean, for 5 pairs of earrings, I can do that. So, what's that? 40, 40, 80, 60. So, for the top and the set of earrings, 60-ish bucks, $30 a piece. I'm okay with it. Personally. I don't mind treating myself to retail priced clothes every now and again. I'm sorry that some of you find what I purchase offensive because I can find stuff at the thrift store, but every now and then I like to do this. So that's just the way that it is, I guess. I really don't feel like I should need to explain myself. But if any of you are interested in trying out Stitch Fix for yourself, I personally love and enjoy it. I've been getting Stitch Fixes for years now, at least 2-3 years. I started getting them in my old apartment, so at least 2 years. And I personally have enjoyed the experience. It hasn't been the best experience ever in terms of, it's not like every single box I get I want to keep all 5 items, but to me it's fun. I like trying on this stuff and just seeing what they send me. So if you also want to support me, you can definitely use my affiliate link to check out Stitch Fix. I always have it linked down below. It'll get you money off of your first box. It'll earn me a bit of money and kickback that I can put towards these clothes. Like I said, it's up to you. You don't have to, but if you are interested, I personally recommend Stitch Fix. I really like it. So, blah blah blah, all of that said, like I said, comments, thumbs up, subscribe, all the good stuff. You know how to do it. And just, I love you guys. Y'all are wonderful. Thank you for being here on my channel. And I hope you're doing well. And until next time, stay well until then. Bye!